Good morning student. In today's video, I am going to explain some question from practice set 2.1. We already completed question number 1, how to identify the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Here I take question number 2. Question number 2 is given in figure. Angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. MQ is given 9, QP is given 4, find the value of NQ. Okay, in given figure or in triangle MNP, angle MNP is given 90 degree, therefore this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, and segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. And here we have to find out the value of NQ. MQ is given 9 and QP is given 4. Okay. Now remember the theorem of geometric mean. By theorem of geometric mean, NQ square is equal to what? MQ into PQ. Clear? According to this theorem, here we get NQ square is equal to, we put the value of MQ and PQ, that is 9 into 4. Then NQ square is equal to 9 4 are 36. Taking square root on both the sides to find out the value of NQ, NQ is equal to square root 36. Therefore, NQ is equal to what? 6. This is the answer, or this is the value of geometric mean NQ. Clear? Now see the next question. Here I take question number 4. Question number 4 is given. In given figure, find out the value of RP and PS. This RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. See, in this figure, in triangle PSR, angle S is equal to what? 90 degree, or we can write angle PSR is equal to what? 90 degree. Angle SPR is given 30 degree. Length of SR is given 6. Here we have to find out the value of PS and the PR. Therefore, in given here I write in triangle PSR, angle PSR is equal to 90 degree, angle SPR is equal to 30 degree. This is given. Then, according to angle property in the triangle, remaining angle is what? If it is 30 degree, this is 90. 30 plus 90, that is 120. So what is the remaining angle? Remaining angle is what? 60 degree. Therefore, here we get this angle is equal to what? 60 degree. Clear? Then, in triangle or triangle PSR is 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. Okay. The angles of these triangles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Therefore, this is the triangle of type 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. Now, by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, the side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Therefore, SR is equal to, this is the side opposite to 30 degree, SR, it is given 6, is equal to 1 upon 2 hypotenuse. Half the hypotenuse is what? Opposite side of the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Okay, is equal into RP, this is side opposite to 30 degree. SR is equal to 6 given, is equal to 1 upon 2 into RP. Therefore, RP is equal to, by cross multiplication, or we transfer this to here, then it will come in multiplication. 6 2s are here, we get 12. Value of RP is equal to what? 12. Then see next, PS is equal to, PS is the side, this is the PS, this side. This is the side opposite to 60 degree. According to this theorem, side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Therefore, here I write PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into RP, and what is side opposite to 60 degree. Then PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into value of RP. Here we find that is 12. Here we put 12. Then PS is equal to, that is 2 1s are 2, 6 are. Therefore, what is the answer here? PS is equal to 6 root 3. In answer we write RP is equal to 12 and PS is equal to 6 root 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now see the next question. Question number 5. When activity is given for finding AB and BC with the help of information given in the figure, complete the following activity. Figure is given in triangle ABC. AB is equal to what? BC. Okay, this is the isosceles right angle triangle in which two sides are equal. Length of AC is given root 8. This is the side opposite to 90 degree, therefore this is the hypotenuse. If two sides are equal, then remaining two angles are what? 45 degree and 45 degree. Using this information, here we find the value of AB and BC. Clear? Now what is the activity is given? In activity AB is equal to BC. There is blank. What we have to write here? This is the given part. Therefore here I write given. Clear? Then second, angle BAC. Angle BAC. If these two sides are equal, then remaining two angles, sum of remaining two angles is equal to what? 90. Therefore each angle is equal to what? 45 degree, 45 degree. And this is 90 degree. Sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore what we have to write here in this box? That is 45 degree. Angle BAC is equal to 45 degree. After that it is given AB is equal to BC is equal to what? Okay. Now according to this is a triangle of which type? 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Okay. According to this theorem, the side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 hypotenuse. Therefore in this box you have to put the value 1 upon root 2 into AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Clear? Then again next step, 1 upon root 2 as it is in this box into value of AC is given what? Root 8. Okay, root 8 is there. Then 1 upon root 2. Here I write root 8 as 2 root 2. Then how? Root 8 we can write 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. And 4 is the perfect square number and its square root is 2. Therefore here we get 2. And what is remaining? That is square root 2. Okay. Therefore root 8 here I write as 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Correct? Then root 2 will cut. Then what is remaining here? 2. Then what is the answer here? AB is equal to BC and this is equal to what? 2. In this way here we complete the activity. Now student, note down your homework. Homework question number 3. Question number 3. Again this is the question based on geometric mean, theorem of geometric mean. And question number 7. In question number 7, 3 sub questions are given. Okay, find the value of EG, FD and EF. To find out the value of EG, you have to use the theorem of geometric mean. For second and third, you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. You know how to use the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. This is all for today student. Thank you very much.